Web hosting and domain name are the first two things that we need for launching our website. Web hosting refers to buying storage space to store your website, while domain name is the official name of your website that shows up on top. You can get both from one of the many hosting providers, and each has their own pros and cons. For beginners, I recommend Bluehost because it's affordable, reliable, and officially recommended by WordPress. But here's a tip. Don't go to the website to get hosting directly. Go to this link and you'll get up to 60% off. This is a trusted coupon code from our friends over at WP Beginner. You can see that the discount has been already applied here. You'll also get a free domain for the first year and a free SSL certificate. This certificate means your site will have this type of icon next to it. Now click on the Get Started button. You'll see a whole list of plans. For beginners, the basic plan is more than enough. Click Select here. Next, you need to choose a domain name. To get some ideas, we'll use a free tool called ChatGPT. Use your email to sign in. Open a new chat and enter this prompt. You'll get a bunch of ideas, so just shortlist the ones you prefer and check if they are available. From here, you want to one by one fill out all your account information like this. Scrolling down, you want to review the package information. By default, they do 36 months because the longer the duration, the cheaper it will be per month. But for beginners, I recommend this 12-month package. It's a good balance between cost and commitment. Then scroll down to the package extras. Uncheck all the extras because you don't need them when you're starting out. Agree to the terms and service and click submit. Finally, enter your payment details. After your purchase, you'll be prompted to create a password for your account. Just set that. And then they'll send you an email, which we'll check here. Once you log into Bluehost, this is what your dashboard looks like. Click the Create Site button. Your site name is not your domain name, it's the name that will be displayed on your site like this. Site tagline is a brief description of your website, so we'll add that. You can change these at any time, so don't worry about them being perfect. Once done, it will take a couple of minutes to install WordPress. Then click on My Sites tab. Hover over the site we used earlier and click Manage Site. On the upper rightmost corner, click Log into WordPress. Now we've reached the WordPress dashboard. This is the backend of your website from where you'll edit the design, content, and all other details. Now, what are the essential free plugins that every WordPress site absolutely needs? I'll also add links for all the plugins I talk about below. A website speed plugin is crucial because inevitably your website will slow down over time. Airlift is the best free option because it's not complicated. Open another tab and type Google Page Speed. Now click on the Page Speed Insights. This is a free page by Google to check if your website is loading too slowly and driving away visitors. So go back to your website, copy the URL, come back and paste it here. Then click Analyze. Now you can see that your site score is quite low and there's many red warnings here. If the score is less than 90 and there's a single red number here, then we need to increase the site speed. The best free tool to increase the site speed is Airlift. So you will go here to open another tab, type airlift.net. And this website will open. Yes, that is my face because my team built this, but don't worry, it's 100% free and we have built successful plugins before, so you can trust when I say that this is the best free speed plugin in the market. So click sign up, add your email, now paste your website URL here and click here. Now download the plugin by clicking here. You can see a zip file has been downloaded. Then go back to your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, then add new. Then drag and drop the folder. Install the plugin and then activate it. Now your site is automatically being optimized and here you can see a big jump in your site speed. If you go back to the Page Speed Insights and analyze again, you'll now see the improved score. We need backups because there's many reasons why your website can lose data or get deleted. You might see that your web host offers backups like Bluehost is offering those here, but these are very unreliable. For a free option, Updraft Plus is a solid choice. It's user-friendly and offers scheduled backups, so you don't have to remember to do it manually. However, a backup is only good if, when in trouble, you can use it to restore your site. Updraft Plus backups often only restore partly or sometimes not at all. So there is a risk that if you go with a free option. To get a 100% guarantee that your full site will be restored every time from its backups, you should use our paid plugin Blockvault because it gives unlimited storage and makes multiple copies of your backups to make sure that you always get a full restore. Moving on to security, the most popular ones are iThemes and Sucuri, but both have a lot of flaws. Malcare is the best free option because it offers many premium features for no cost. If you ever get hacked, you can pay to upgrade your plan and you'll get one-click malware removal as well as enhanced security. Next, let's talk about SEO. RankMath's free version is great for beginners. It guides you through the process of optimizing your site for SEO and also has an AI content assistant that gives you real-time suggestions to improve your content's SEO. Once you're ready to pay for more features, try Ahrefs. We use it as well and it's got many powerful features. Then you need a good email plugin for anyone interacting with your site, whether they fill a contact form, try products or whatever else. MailPoet is a great free plugin. It offers drag and drop email builder, automated emails and even analytics so you can see how your emails are performing. Watch this video next to learn how to build a WordPress site.